Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a full Omnisend review, the all-in-one e-commerce marketing platform that's been generating a lot of buzz. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large e-commerce site, Omnisend promises to streamline your email marketing, SMS campaigns, and much more. But does it actually deliver? We're about to find out. And before we dive in, remember, you can get the biggest discount on Omnisend by clicking the link in the description below. Let's kick things off with what Omnisend does really well. One of the platform's standout features is its ease of use. Omnisend has been designed with simplicity in mind, making it incredibly accessible, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. From the moment you log in, the intuitive interface guides you through the process of setting up your marketing campaigns. Whether you're creating an email newsletter, designing a landing page, or configuring an SMS campaign, the drag-and-drop editor is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to customize your content quickly and easily. But ease of use isn't the only thing Omnisend excels at. Let's talk about automation. Automation is one of the most powerful tools in a marketer's arsenal, and Omnisend offers some of the best automation features on the market. With Omnisend, you can create sophisticated workflows that send personalized messages based on your customers' behavior. Whether it's a welcome series for new subscribers, cart abandonment emails, or re-engagement campaigns for inactive customers, Omnisend makes it easy to set up these automated processes without any coding knowledge. These automation features can save you time, increase your efficiency, and most importantly, boost your sales. And that's not all. Omnisend also provides detailed analytics that give you deep insights into how your campaigns are performing. The platform offers comprehensive reports on everything from open rates and click-through rates to sales and ROI. This data is invaluable because it helps you understand what's working and where there's room for improvement. You can easily track your progress, make informed decisions, and optimize your marketing strategies for better results. And if you're impressed by what you're hearing, remember, the best discount on Omnisend is available through the link in the description. Another significant advantage of using Omnisend is its seamless integration with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Integrating Omnisend with your existing e-commerce platform is straightforward, allowing you to sync your customer data effortlessly. This integration ensures that all your marketing activities are aligned with your store's operations, making it easier to run targeted campaigns based on real-time customer data. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, Omnisend's integration capabilities make it a great fit for any e-commerce operation. Of course, no platform is perfect, and Omnisend is no exception. One of the areas where some users might find Omnisend challenging is in the complexity of its automation features. While these features are incredibly powerful, they can also be a bit overwhelming for beginners or those who are new to marketing automation. The learning curve might be steep for some, but once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are virtually endless. Omnisend allows you to start with basic workflows and gradually build more complex ones as you become more comfortable with the platform. Another area where Omnisend could improve is in the design options for email templates. While the platform provides a variety of templates that are functional and easy to use, they may not offer as much variety or modern design elements as some users would like. If you're someone who values highly customized, visually striking emails, you might find Omnisend's template library somewhat limiting. However, the platform does allow you to create your own templates or import custom designs if you're willing to put in a little extra effort. It's also worth mentioning that while Omnisend's pricing is generally competitive, it can start to add up as your contact list grows. If you're managing a large e-commerce business with a substantial customer base, the cost of using Omnisend could become a significant investment. However, considering the range of features and the value it provides, many users find that it's worth the price. And don't forget, you can get the best deal on Omnisend by using the discount link in the description below. Speaking of pricing, Omnisend offers several plans to cater to businesses of all sizes. From a free plan with basic features to more advanced plans that unlock additional tools and capabilities, there's a plan to suit every budget. For small businesses or those just starting out, the free plan is a great way to get a feel for what Omnisend can do without any financial commitment. As your business grows, you can upgrade to a paid plan that better meets your needs. Just be sure to keep an eye on your subscriber count, as that's one of the factors that can drive up your costs. Customer support is another important aspect to consider when choosing a marketing platform, and Omnisend does a solid job in this area. They offer live chat and email support, and their customer service team is generally responsive and knowledgeable. However, there have been some reports of slower response times during peak periods, which could be a concern if you're dealing with a time-sensitive issue. Overall, though, most users are satisfied with the support they receive, and Omnisend also provides a comprehensive help center with articles, guides, and tutorials to help you get the most out of the platform. So, what's the final verdict on Omnisend? Overall, it's a powerful, user-friendly platform that can significantly enhance your e-commerce marketing efforts. With its ease of use, robust automation features, detailed analytics, and seamless integration with major e-commerce platforms, Omnisend is well-suited to businesses of all sizes. While there are a few areas for improvement, such as the complexity of some features and the limited design options, these are relatively minor issues in the grand scheme of things. If you're looking for a reliable, comprehensive marketing platform to help you grow your e-commerce business, Omnisend is definitely worth considering. And remember, to get the best deal on Omnisend, be sure to click the link in the description below. It's a great opportunity to explore all the features this platform has to offer at a reduced cost. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest tools and tips to grow your business. And don't forget, for the best deal on Omnisend, check out the link in the description. See you in the next video.